Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you what I have learned to be the secret for long hair. Now let's get started with this video. The first thing I would do is detangle her hair. So what I do is use a leave-in conditioner and I will put it on her hair and use my finger first to detangle a small part of her hair. So this is what I'm doing here. I try to use really small portion of her hair, so I will go with small portion at a time. What I do is using my fingers first, then I will transfer to using a wide tooth comb, and I will start combing her hair from the end, and I will go slowly. I'm not gonna pull her hair. I'm gonna go slowly. As you can see, she doesn't feel anything because I'm starting from the end, and especially that is only a small portion of the hair, and I'm using a wide tooth comb, so I'm going slowly, going up all the way to her scalp. Next, I will grab a medium-sized comb just to make sure that her hair is really well detangled, because I don't want to cut the end if she has any split end and her hair is not well detangled. So this is why I have to go with a medium-sized comb and then comb her hair, making sure that it's well detangled. Now I'm checking where I should start cutting her split ends. She doesn't have much split ends because I just cut her split ends like a few months ago, but I like to cut the split ends as often as possible. I can see that she has a little bit of split ends because the ends are a little thinner. This is how I know that this is the part that I have to cut, and I will only cut that part of the hair. Moving on to the next portion of her hair, I'm gonna follow the same step, making sure that I use my fingers first to detangle that portion of the hair. Then I will use a wide tooth comb, then I will use a medium-sized comb just to make sure that her hair is well detangled. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. I have learned that it's really important to cut the split end if you want healthy long hair, because you might think that you have long hair but it's only long because you got a lot of split ends, and one day they might all start falling out. So I learned to make sure to double check when my daughters have split ends or no, and making sure to cut it. This actually takes time, but it's really important to do it. Actually, on that day I did an oil treatment on her hair, then I continue with my regular wash day routine. Let me know in the comment below, how do you do it? Do you usually wash the hair first and then cut the split ends, or do you cut the split end first and then wash your hair? I hope the video was informative and that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next one.